What's going on, internet? Since it is now May, I am going to be donating and raising money for Mental Health Awareness Month. I have chosen the charity NAMI, I may pronounce it wrong, but I've been recommended it by a few people that I really respect their opinion on and that have gone through some things themselves, and I really am strong about just bringing awareness to mental health. And I'm going to be doing everything that I can this month through LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitch, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, everything to raise money to help those that are in need of mental health and their journey through that. So I really encourage to donate. If you cannot, if you could just share the word through the link that I'm going to be providing in the description or in the comments below, I would greatly appreciate that. It would mean the world to me. This is something that I just strongly believe in, and I think that this is something that we can all come together as a community and just really build for. So thank you so much in advance if you are able to donate or just share the word in any which way. I cannot tell you how much I appreciate it. And until next time, I'll see you on the internet.